Yeah, you said it's locked too, right?
Yeah.
Oh, your car's hot too.
I know. I was supposed to go to work this morning.
You called off?
Well, yeah, I told them I was like, because I'm supposed to test out because I'm going back on the road.
Okay. Let me write these numbers down real fast. I was going to just program it first, but I think I picked it the wrong way, so I'll cut the key first. Key blank. Y159. Doing an 8 cut. Direct. First cut doesn't matter. 121. Cut.
You popped it open?
Say it again?
You popped it open?
The door not yet. I cut a key first because I picked it the wrong way. So,
okay.
Well,
the ignition is a specialty one.
Does it look like that?
Yeah. Actually, yeah. It is. You already know, man.
He knows what he's doing.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna cut a door key anyway, so. I'm not gonna erase the key. I won't erase it, so if you find it, it'll still work.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah. You know what, to be on the safe side, if you can erase it.
I could if you want me to.
Yeah. Just because I don't know where it's at. I don't know if I dropped it out here, you know what I mean?
Okay. Coming in?
Yeah, just in case. Yeah.
Show it. Show it for the camera.
Huh?
Show it for the camera.
Damn.
Damn. Let's turn this off. All right, we're gonna erase all keys first. Well, here, look. All right, let's go escape. So we're gonna total keys 3. Erase keys. We're gonna erase all keys. Total keys 0. All keys have been erased. It says ignition on, so we'll leave it off. It's usually faster. We'll get another machine. I don't know what it's doing. Got a good battery right here. North America, Dart, 12 to 18, 5 a key. Yes. I'll type in that password myself. Nope. Card number key 0. Okay. Please wait patiently. See, that one went a lot faster. I took it right away. Next key now. There we go.
Yeah, man. Sigh of relief, bro.
Yeah. For me too, because I erased all keys first, and then I don't know why that other machine wasn't taking the key, but then I took it with this one, so we're good.
Appreciate it, man.
Yep.
Real shit. You don't have no idea.
Yeah.